Hi, it's Jewele. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. I'm going to do a flip through of my completed August Cheaply Chic junk journal collection called Anchored. And it is, as usual, amazing. Not because of anything I did, but the collections. The book is put together, all the pages are in it, they're just blank, and you get a package of goodies to decorate. Of course, you can add your own stuff in as well. Use all of it, don't use all of it, all the things. So, yay, it's gorgeous, and I so love it. And I've been trying to save the fibers that come in the kit each month to use as tassels because this is it. There's plenty. They're gorgeous. They match. So anyway, that's what I did this time. And I just do it comes with the seam binding around it. I always tie mine on to the stitches on the outside because I lose it. Yeah, I know. The cover comes pretty much decorated. I did add the heart here, and then it has a little heart on it. I'm going to untie it, and I'm going to hate myself for it because it's really hard to tie back. But it has got, oh man, hold on. I got a knot there. I apologize. And of course I can't see it, so there we go. But this is so cool. Okay, it's a heart. Hope I can glue it together. But it opens up, and isn't it cute? I'll link below where I learned that. Believe me, I did not come up with it on my own, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then I'm just tying it back together, but I'm sure there's a better way or an easier way to fix it where, it'll stay shut, and this is really hard to tie and keep it tight enough. Well, you know the thing. Okay, so I did actually add things to it this time. Normally, I hardly ever do because you certainly don't need to. But I had quite a bit of beachy, watery, things to go with, and I'm making this as a gift, and it's very appropriate, all the water stuff. So I have a vellum pocket here, and then I won't take out every single thing, but so I made these chalkboard stickers came with I didn't stick it down in case the person doesn't want this on there, but I thought that was cute. This is just a piece of one of the several or a few large book pages, and things were in it, and I just thought, the water would be, and then I made it into a little, you write on it. This was the napkin, and I used the entire thing. It's so cute. Just on a guest check, and this was a piece of wallpaper. This I already had this, and then I want to say these were amity balloons, some sentiments. Last year was for growing, but this year is for blooming. I'm pretty sure it was her. And then I cut out, Lynnette writes us a love letter each month, and I cut out the anchor and the anchored, and I'll just put that back on in a minute. So, left plenty of blank. There were some small book pages that had shells and things. So I covered, I think this, oh yeah, an envelope. Made it a pocket, and then put little things, in. This was actually on packaging, this thing here. Showing what was in the package. I mean, they're perfect. So pay attention to your packages, because some of it's fabulous for cut it off and use it kind of things. And I love this. Seize the day. Oops, hold on. I love that. Just glued it down for writing space. Journaling card or tag, whatever. This glassine bag here, and it's holding 2 large tags. And then this I got it from Maria at Maria's Miscellany. And it is it's really cute. God writes the gospel not in the Bible alone, but on trees and flowers and clouds and stars. Right? I love that. Alright. Another page, or another piece of the page from the book page that came with, and some little tags. And then this is like a flip down kind of, I don't know. Anyway, you can hide your writing, but you have a lot of writing space there. And I didn't do every single page because that leaves room for pictures and other things that you might want to put in here. The stuff behind, the fibers behind it is from, I think it's called a ghillie suit. Hunters or whatever, fishermen or whatever, wear it, and you're totally, I mean, it's camouflage only to the next level, because you can hide in, I mean, I don't know, what are you hiding from? Scares me that you would want to wear that. But I found one once, somebody was giving away, and because I'm a junk journaler, I went and I cut me a sandwich baggie full of the fibers. Nothing is safe. You know, if you're a junk journal, you know that. Journaler. So anyway, I put some of that behind here, just because the person I'm giving this to will know exactly where that came from. And I have no shame. But I thought that was funny. And then some more, a couple of little fish off that napkin. And then the words back here are from one of the book pages that came in the, and this is, I didn't want to cut this off because I like Muddy Creek, and it would just be, okay, it still would be there. Why don't I cut it off? Oh, I didn't want to glue it down because it would cover it up. So I left it on. We can cut it off later if we want, but I just thought it was kind of different. This, I cut the doily in half, but I put washi tape along the top, and then, you know, tucked it in so that it wouldn't peel off and get caught on something and be yanked off. I thought that was pretty. I thought it was kind of, what's the word? You don't expect a lacy doily in a book about boating and fishing and, you know, etc. So I thought it was kind of cool. And here, I got these several months ago, and I cut them off. They had the, they're for a disc, what's it called? A planner that uses the discs. So I cut that part off the edge. And you can write, move them around, do whatever. But I love these ladies. And one of them looks extremely like the person I'm making this journal for. So I thought that was kind of cool. This little bag came in the collection, and it had things in it. And some of the things I've actually left or put back in here and just put it in. But I left it open. We could put more stuff in. Some more little tags that came. A glassine bag on a big O bag. Oh, let's see, this I think this came from Maria as well. Let the sand be your seat as the waves hit your feet. I love that. But there were quite a few things that were perfect for this journal, and a prize I won from Maria, and I just took full advantage of it. And here is mermaid card envelope. Let's see. Okay, I don't know. And then another piece, a piece of wallpaper out of the Maria's prize. A ruffle from Maria. Oh, okay. Clip that on. And then inside is the bookmark that comes with the collection. And then I glued a card down on 3 sides to make a little tuck. And here's a couple of postcards that came from Maria, but she got them from Dear Jewele, one of her kits in her shop. And then I love this. Another piece of the page, or a page from the collection. And then just folded up the bottom to make a little pocket. Some tags that came in the collection. Alright, what do we got over here? Okay, this is some... Okay, sorry. It's been about several days since I was in here, so I've forgotten what I was in here. Okay, some just writing paper, notepad paper, if needed. It's one of those, it's the little brown bag that came in with some stuff in it, and I covered it with some wallpaper that had shell on it. And this is just out of a magazine. Thought the colors were great. Plus, once you're done sailing around in your boat, you go and you hang out in this house. I would love to do that. And then more note paper, and then this is just covered with book page from the collection. And I think this might be the first time I ever really used the gold paper clips. And usually I grab the gold paper clips, I hug them, and I put them in this little container and I hide them, because I don't want anyone touching them or using them. I love them. Here's some more of that gillyweed stuff, or whatever. Not gillyweed. Gillyweed is from Harry Potter. Gilly suit. I don't know. Anyway, cracks me up every time I see it. Her heart bloomed sunflowers so she could always face the light. Good. I love that. This was a very emotional journey making this journal. Because the person getting it is so deserving, and is just okay. That's all I'm saying. And then this came. Actually, these things came with the kit, and this stuff. This button. You need to see this button. Let me see if I can find one that's not messed with. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if you can even see it, but it's got holes all in it, and then on the back it's got the shank. I don't know. Anyway, you can sew it with all colors or any colors or whatever. I just used some turquoise and white. Oh, come on. Baker's twine, and just sewed it in there. Isn't that cute? I love that. And then here's a pocket with some more goodies on the back, and then some large tags. One day you will look back and realize you were blooming all along. So I'm pretty sure the sentiments are Amity Bloom. Pretty sure. And I will find the video, the tutorial showing us how to make these little cool pull apart things, which once you learn, you don't have to make hearts. You can make anything. Fabulousness. Okay, that is it. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon.